So, Kimberly's found another home she wants to buy.
I'm just saying.
2, 3, my baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try.
Honey, this is not our house.
I know. But it could be.
Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, 'cause we don't know how. Come
So you better come see the place before she tries to buy it. Kimberly,